What's up guys? CowZZZ here. So today we're gonna be filming making cookies video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, yeah. Alright, as you can see now we got everything out. Oh wait, are we missing something? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, an egg. Alright guys, so step 1 is heat the oven to 375. Alright, there you go. Alright, so the first step is to beat the sugar, brown sugar, butter, vanilla, and egg into a large bowl. So we'll do that right now. Oh shit, I forgot the egg. Alright, that should be good. Alright, that should be good now. Alright, now I'm taking these into balls, putting them on there. Alright, I'm gonna get out a second tray. That's all I can make with that. Alright, it's time to put them in now. Alright guys, I think they're ready now. Alright, let's go check them out. Alright. Alright, they look pretty whack. You can see they browned around the edges, so that's good. Yeah. Really good. Alright, we're gonna let these cool for about 10 minutes and we'll come back to it. Alright, I'm gonna try transferring them to the cooling rack. Alright guys, so they're done now, and right here, this is the final result of the cookie.